Welcome to 15-Min English Drive. I'm Leo.
And I'm Debbie. Today we dive straight into 12 essential words about going to a bar or pub. Let's go.
Lost for words ordering a drink?
Oh, I know that feeling. Here is a challenge for everyone.
Yes. A quiz. We give a situation. You shout the word before me.
Can you beat Leo? I think you can. Are you ready in your car?
Hey! I am very good at pub words. I have practiced a lot.
We will see. I will start.
Okay, I am ready. My morning coffee just kicked in.
Listeners, try to say the word first. Leo, here is the first one. I meet you after work. I want to ask you about getting a beer.
Okay. Thinking, is it a question for a friend?
Yes, it is. It is a very friendly and common question. What is it?
It's fancy a drink. That's F-A-N-C-Y a D-R-I-N-K. Question mark.
You got it. It means, do you want a drink? It is very British.
Yes, we say that a little differently. I usually say, want to grab a drink?
Same idea. I say fancy a drink to friends on the bus.
That's a good tip. I am ready for the next one.
Imagine this. We are in a busy pub. There are no seats.
Ah, yes. This often happens. I hate standing with my drink.
I see two people leaving. I say, quick, let's go get that.
Oh, I know this one. It's grab a table. G-R-A-B-A-T-A-B-L-E.
Yes, that's right. It means to find a table quickly.
I do this all the time. My friends and I send one person to find seats.
It's a team sport. You must be fast. Good job. One more.
I am feeling good now. I think I will get this one too.
We have our table. Now we need drinks. We decide what we want.
We are ready. We need to tell the bartender what we want.
What is the verb for this action? What do we do at the bar?
We order a drink. O-R-D-E-R. We tell them our order.
Exactly. You order food, coffee, or a drink.
After my gym, I always order a big protein shake. Same verb.
That is a great example. You use the word well?
I think our listeners got all three. Did you? It's my turn to quiz.
Your turn to be the quiz master. I am ready. No coffee, just tea.
This first one is for you, Debbie. A classic pub word. You are at the bar. You want a big glass of beer, not a small one.
The normal size for beer in a British pub. This is easy for me.
I am sure it is. What do you ask for?
You ask for a pint. P-I-N-T. Can I have a pint of lager, please?
You got it. It is a measurement unit. It is a bit more than half a liter.
Yes, a pint is very normal here. My dad always orders bitter.
We use it in America too, but less often. People often just say a beer.
Oh, that's interesting. Here, a pint is the most common way to order beer.
Next one. This is connected. You want beer fresh from a big metal container?
Oh, yes. Not from a bottle. It comes through a tap.
Exactly. You ask the bartender, what do you have?
I know. You ask, what do you have on tap? O-N-T-A.
Yes. On tap means beer from a large container, a keg, not a bottle.
Beer is usually colder and fresher. It just tastes better.
Same for me. I always check what they have on tap before I order.
Good tip for everyone. It's often cheaper than bottles too. Next one.
Right. This is about a person. Who works behind the bar?
The person who takes my money and gives me my pint of tea. I mean beer.
Yes. The person who makes and serves drinks? Who is that?
That is the bartender. B-A-R-T-E-N-D-E-R.
That's it. In the UK, you sometimes say barman or bar staff, right?
We do. But bartender is a word everyone understands. Very clear.
You are 3 for 3. Debbie, your turn to quiz me again.
My turn again? I have some tricky ones. Ready for a challenge?
I am always ready. I am not stuck in traffic. I feel focused.
Imagine there are four of us. I go to the bar. I buy drinks for everyone.
Ah, very generous. You buy 4 drinks at once.
Yes. What is this called? One person buys drinks for the group.
You are buying a round. AROUND. It's my turn to buy the next round.
Perfect. It's called a round because people usually take turns.
This is a big part of the culture. If a friend buys a round, you buy one later.
It is very social. My friends and I always buy rounds.
It is easier than everyone paying for their own drink each time. Next.
This is similar. This time I want to pay for your drink as a gift.
Oh, it's not a round. Just you paying for me. A nice gesture.
Exactly. I might say, don't worry about it, it's...
My treat. MYTREAT. A treat is a nice thing you give someone.
Yes, that's right. You can use it for coffee or dinner. Lunch is my treat.
That's true. My sister Mia says this when she wants me to help her with homework.
Ha! She is very smart. A good way to get help with her Mandarin.
It works every time. What's the last one in this set?
We have our drinks. We raise our glasses before we drink.
A classic moment. A small celebration before the first sip.
What is the word we all say at the same time? It's famous.
We say cheers. CHEERS. It's like saying to good health.
You got it. It is one of the most famous English words for this.
Everyone knows this one. You can also use it to say thank you in the UK.
Oh, good point. The bus driver might say cheers when you get off the bus.
That's a great British tip. Last round. I am quizzing you now.
Let's do it. I think the listeners are winning. They are very smart.
I agree. Debbie, I haven't seen you in a long time. We meet for coffee.
And we talk for hours. We share all our news and stories.
Yes. What is the phrase for this? To meet and talk about your lives.
We meet to catch up. CATCHUP. 2 words.
That's it. To catch up means to learn a friend's news.
I love to catch up with old students. It is nice to hear their stories.
Same for me. I need to catch up with my friend from Chicago soon.
You should. It's always nice. What's next for me?
It is the end of the night. The bartender shouts something. He wants people to finish drinks.
Ah, the sad moment. The bar is closing soon. It is time to go home.
Exactly. What does the bartender shout to let everyone know?
They shout, last call. LASTCLL. Your last chance to order.
Perfect. Last call for drinks. It means the bar will close in 15 or 20 minutes.
I hear that and I know it's time to get the last bus. Or find a taxi.
For me, it means sitting in traffic on the way home. Not as fun.
Ha, that's true. My cat Biscuit is waiting for me at home.
One more word. You had great service from the bartender. They were very friendly.
And I want to give them extra money to say thank you.
What is that extra money called?
It's a tip. TIP. You leave a tip for good service.
Yes. You got all 12. I bet our listeners did too. Great job.
Wow, that was fun. My brain feels warmed up now.
Me too. Let's do a fast lightning round. I give the situation, you say the word.
I'm ready. Listeners, shout them out with me. Let's be fast.
What you say before you drink with friends.
Cheers.
To meet a friend and talk about your news.
Catch up. Ha, you hesitated. I was faster.
The person who serves your drinks.
Bartender. Too easy.
The bar is closing soon. The final chance to buy a drink.
Last call. I almost forgot that one. My brain is tired.
When you buy drinks for all your friends.
A round. I like it when my friends buy a round.
And when you want to pay for just one person.
It's my treat. That's a very nice thing to say to someone.
You did great. I think that was a perfect score for you.
And for you. And for a lot of people driving right now.
Yes. Even if you got only a few, that is great progress. Don't worry.
I always told my students, learning new words takes time. Just be patient.
That is very true. The key is to practice them. Maybe try one tonight.
Yes, try asking a friend, fancy a drink? See what they say.
It is a great way to make the words stick in your head. Use them.
That quiz was so much fun. I am ready for my morning Earl Grey now.
And I am ready for my second coffee. It feels like a Monday morning.
I feel that. You got more right than you think. Well done today.
That is the end of today's 15-minute English drive. Great work listening all the way through.
New episode every day. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss one. Keep practicing and we will see you tomorrow. Safe drive.